Hello! Good morning mga ka-islanders! Kumusta kayong lahat? So today, we are going to teach you some basic Ilocano words that we use every day. So ang gagawin po namin, ang una, sasabihin po namin sa Filipino, ako po ang magsasabi sa Filipino or Tagalog, and then, si Thea ang magsasabi sa English. And then, kaming dalawa ang mag-translate sa Ilocano. Wow, exciting! So, handa ka na ba?
Yes, I'm ready!
Yes! So, number 1. In Filipino, we say, magandang umaga. In English, we say,
Good morning!
in Ilocano, we say, naimbag abigat. Number 2. In Filipino, we say, magandang hapon. In English, we say,
Good afternoon!
good afternoon. And in Ilocano, we say, naimbag na aldaw. Naimbag na aldaw. Next, number 3. In Filipino, we say, magandang gabi. In English, we say,
Good evening!
in Ilocano, we say,
Naimbag arabii!
Naimbag arabii. Naimbag arabii.
Naimbag arabii!
Okay, number 4. In Filipino, we say, maraming salamat. In English, we say,
Thank you very much!
thank you very much. In Ilocano, we say, agyaman unay. Agyaman unay.
Agyaman unay!
Okay, next, number 5. Tuloy po kayo in Filipino. In English, we say,
Come in please!
oh, galing mo. Come in, please. In Ilocano, we say, sumrek kayo. Sumrek kayo.
Bueno, dumanan kayo!
Ayun, wen. Dumanon kayo, apo. Or, sumrek kayo, apo. Deizay. Next, number 6. In Filipino, we say, ano ang pangalan mo? In English, we say,
What's your name?
wow. In Ilocano, we say,
Anya tinagan mo.
Anya tinagan mo.
Anya tinagan mo!
Next, number 7. In Filipino, we say, ilang taon ka na? In English, we say,
How old are you?
okay. Ilocano, we say,
Manut titawen mo!
Manut titawen mo.
Manut titawen mo!
Next, number 8. In Filipino, we say, ano sa palagay mo?
What do
In
you
English,
What do you think?
what do you think? In Ilocano, we say,
Anya ti panagkunam.
Anya ti panagkunam. Anya ti panagkunam. Tanda nga taagbuya ti lagta.
Nikang mo!
Next, number 9. In Filipino, we say, hulaan mo. In English, we say,
Make a guess!
make a guess. In Ilocano, we say, pugtuam. Pugtuam.
Pugduam!
Next, number 10. In Filipino, we say, saan ka nakatira? In English, we say,
Where do you live?
where do you live? In Ilocano, we say, sa Dino ti Pagyanam. Sa Dino ti Pagyanam. Okay, next, number 11. In Filipino, we say, saan ka pupunta? In English, we say,
Where are you going?
yun, where are you going? In Ilocano, we say, sa Dino ti Papanam. Sa Dino ti Papanam.
Sa Dino ti Papanam!
Ijay, kumana ba? Next, number 12. In Filipino, we say, halika dito. In English, we say,
Come here!
In Ilocano, we say,
Umay ka ditoy.
Umay ka ditoy. Umay ka ditoy. Uno, umay ka ditoy. Next, number 13. In Filipino, we say, anong gusto mo? In English, we say,
What do you like?
what do you like?
What do you like or what do you want?
Okay, tama. What do you like or what do you want? In Ilocano, we say, anya ti kayat mo. Anya kayat mo. Kotse, wano, balay. Next, in Filipino, we say, maupo ka. In English, we say,
Please sit down.
in Ilocano, we say, agtugaw ka. Agtugaw ka.
Agtugaw ka.
Next, number 15. In Filipino, we say, hindi bale. Hindi bale. In English, we say,
Never mind.
never mind. In Ilocano, we say,
Bayamon.
Bayamon.
Bayam detan.
Bayamon.
Well, no, bayam detan.
Okay, next. Number 16. In Filipino, we say, tayo na. In English, we say,
Let's go.
let's go. In Ilocano, we say, mapantayon. Mapantayon. Dakla ka, mapantayon. Next, number 17. In Filipino, we say, walang anuman. In English, we say,
You're welcome.
you're welcome. In Ilocano, we say,
Awan na yaman na.
for example, thank you ako sa'yo. Thank you.
Awan na
Nagyaman na. Nagyaman na.
Agyaman na.
Anya ti bagab?
Awan na yaman na.
Awan ang yaman na. Number 18. In Filipino, we say, hindi ko alam. In English, we say,
I don't know.
in Ilocano, we say, madik-am mo.
Malikam mo. Nalipat ako.
Next, number 19. In Filipino, we say, ano iyan?
What is that?
What? What is that?
Ay, what is that?
In English, we say,
What is that?
what is that? In Ilocano, we say,
Anya dayta.
anya dayta. Anya dayta. Anya dayta. Araya. Next, number 20. In Filipino, we say, sino ito? Sino ito? In English, we say,
Who is this?
in Ilocano, we say, sino daytoy?
Sino daytoy?
Sino daytoy?
Sino daytoy?
Sino daytoy
Ay,
mauwi?
daytoy ko.
Sino daytoy mo pinag-ngisit? Next, number 21. In Filipino, we say, bigyan mo ako. In English, we say,
Give me.
give me what? Money? In Ilocano, we say,
Ikanak man.
ikanak man or ikanak. Ikanak. Ikanak.
May kwarta.
Next, number 22. In Filipino, we say, kanino ito? In English, we say,
Whose is this?
whose is this? In Ilocano, we say, makingkukwa daytoy. Makingkukwa daytoy. Kukwa?
Sino?
Next, number 23. In Filipino, we say, huwag mo akong kalimutan. In English, we say,
Do not forget me.
yes, do not forget me. Don't forget me. In Ilocano, we say,
Sa anak nga liplipatan.
Sa Sa nakalipatan tun, artistakan. Next, number 24. In Filipino, we say, magkano? In English, we say,
How much?
how much? In Ilocano, we say, sagmamano. Sagmamano.
Sagmamano deta si.
Sagmamano day tamangga.
Sagmamano deta mabalay.
Next, number 25. In Filipino, we say, ilan? In English, we say,
How many?
okay. In Ilocano, we say,
Manu.
Number 26. In Filipino, we say, alin dito? Alin dito? In English, we say,
Which one?
which one? In Ilocano, we say, anya ditoy. Anya ditoy.
Anya ditoy.
Anya kada ditoy. Pwede rin yun. Anya kada ditoy.
Number 27.
In Filipino, we say, gutom na ako. In
In
English, we say,
I'm hungry.
in Ilocano, we say,
Mabisina
kun. Mabisina kun. Igatangan naman na makan. In number 28, in Filipino, we say, busog na ako. Busog na ako. In English, we say,
I am full.
I am full. In Ilocano, we say,
Nabsugakon.
Nabsugakon. Okay, number 29. In Filipino, we say, wala akong pera. In English, we say,
I have no money.
in Ilocano, we say,
Awan kwarta. Awan kwarta.
Last, in Filipino, we say, mukhang uulan. In English, we say,
It looks like it will rain.
it looks like it will rain. In Ilocano, we say,
Kasla ang tudo.
tudo. That's it mga ka-islanders. Hanggang dyan muna tayo. Abangan ulit ang aming mga next videos para mas marami pa kayong matutunang mga Ilocano words. So, thank you and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
At click the bell.
Click
Click
the
the
notification bell para
And
ma-notify
like
kayo.
and share. Like and share.
Yes, like and share. Mag-subscribe po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, Allen
Islander.
the Islander. Thank you! Bye-bye!